We are now entering the sewer trap, going towards the main sewer line, which of course is holding water like all sewer traps do. We now see the first section of pipe coming off of the main house sewer trap. And what's this that we have? It looks like a blade from a sewer snake is actually caught in a joint. This probably occurs more than one would expect. However, you wouldn't become aware of this unless you had a video inspection completed on the sewer line. You'll now see water sitting on the bottom of the pipe, which is only a result of the pipe not pitched in the right direction. This is referred to as a belly. The pipe should run downslope, as you now see, which would allow the water to flow on gravity as it's supposed to. In a few feet, you'll see the existing cast iron pipe transitions to clay. You can see the orange red-like walls of the pipe, which means at some point the property owner had a repair on a section of the pipe completed. In a few feet, you'll see more water sitting at the bottom of the pipe, which is obviously not good for the natural flow of sewage. Again, this might be due to a belly within the pipe or a complete back pitch of a section of this sewer line. In another couple feet, you'll see what appears to be a problem with the joint. This could either be a slight separation, or it looks like the side is actually cracked out, leaving for an inadequate connection point. This is old clay pipe, so in a scenario like this, it may not be causing massive backups, but because of the age and material of the pipe, it's always suggested to do a repair before it becomes a major problem. As we continue down the pipe, we're about to approach the spur connection, which is where the homeowner's pipe meets the city pipe. And now we drop into the city sewer.
Make sure to like and subscribe to catch all our videos in the future.